I will answer this one. So first, basahin muna natin yung problem. So find the value or values of x so that x, 2x plus 7 plus and 10x minus 7 will form a geometric sequence. So, sa case na ito, it's about geometric sequence. So, may na-mention na tatlong expression. So, these expressions, each of them has their corresponding values that we need to identify. So, we need to identify the value of x so that we can identify what is the number for each of these expression. So, we know that in geometric sequence, they have the same ratio. Ibig sabihin, kung i-divide natin si 10x minus 7 kay 2x plus 7, equal siya. Equal ang magiging result sa 2x plus 7 divided by x. So, with that, we can write our solution here. So, we have 10x minus 7 divided by 2x plus 7 is just equal to 2x plus 7 over x. Then we can cross multiply. So we have x times 10x minus 7 is just simply equal to 2x plus 7 times 2x plus 7. Then we can distribute that, so it becomes 10x squared minus 7x. Just simply this one, first term, by FOIL method, we can come up with this. 2x times 2x is equal to 4x squared. 4x squared plus, come up with, so 2ab. 2 times a, what is a? 2x. Ang b is 7. Yes. Plus the square of the last term. So that is 7 squared. So it becomes 10x squared minus 7x equals 4x squared plus 2 times 2, 4 times 7, 28 x plus 7 squared is 49. Then, let's transpose this term to the other side. So, we have, diretso na lang natin. 10x squared minus 4x squared, that is 6x squared. Then, itong term na to, i-transpose natin sa kabila. So, minus 7, negative 7, minus 28 is 35. So, minus 35x. Ito naman, lipat natin sa kabila. Becomes 14, negative 14. And we can equate that into 0. Now, the next thing we need to do is to factor this out. So, x minus 7 times x plus pala, plus ito minus equal 0. So, i-check natin kung tama ba tong factor nito. Tama ba ang pagka-factor natin? Ano? Just simply multiply this by this. 7 times x, 7x. So we have 7x. Then 6x. 6 times negative 7 is negative 42. So the result is negative 39. Tama. Tama ang kanyang the constant of the middle term. So, tama ito. Tama ito ang pagka-factor natin. So now, we have 6x plus 7 equals 0. Then the other side is x minus 7 equals 0. So, 6x equals negative 7. Divide both sides by 6. We have x is equal to negative 7 over 6. Then x is equal to 7. So, dalawang answer niya. Pwede ito at pwede rin ito. So now, substituting this. So for example, if x is equal to negative 7 over 6, we can get this one and this one. So we have the second expression, 2 times negative 7 over 6 plus 7 is equal to by 2, 1 by 2, 3. So negative 7 over 3 plus 7, then negative 7 plus 21. 3 times 7 is 21 all over 3, and that is negative 7 plus 21 over 3. So it is 14. Tama ba? Negative 14 over 3. Ay no, wala lang negative. 14 over 3 lang. So the second term is 14 over 3. The third term equal to negative 7 over 6. Then the third term is 10. 7 over 6 minus 7, just simply equal to by 2, 5 by 2, 3. So negative 15. 5 times negative 7 is negative 35 all over 3 minus 7. Simply get the LCD. So 3 times 7 is 21. Negative 35 minus 21 over 3. Then combine these two constants in the numerator. So we have negative 35 minus negative 21. That is equal to negative 56. Negative 56 over 3. Tama ba? So the terms are, pwede nyo siya i-check actually. So the first term is negative 7 over 6. The second term is, ano nga yun? Kalimut ko second term. And the third term is, and the third term is this one. You can check it by yourself. Tama ba siya? If they have the same quotient, then your answer is correct. Now, if x is equal to 7, so we can substitute. We have now the 7. The second term will be 2 times 7 plus 7 that is simply equal to 2 times 7 is 14 plus 7, that is 21. The second term is 21. Third term is 10 times 7 minus 7 equals 70 minus 7, that is simply equal to 63. So the first term is 7, second term is 21, third term is 63. So you can validate that. You can check if that is correct. 3 divided by 21, 3. So that's it. I hope you get yung ano lang naman dito, yung process ng pag-solve. Especially if you already know the basic, like operations on variables, operations on polynomials, something like that. So magiging madali na lang to. It's just about the process of how you solve the problem. So since it talks about the geometric sequence, so